Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen. So today's video is for jambons. These puff pastry parcels are stuffed with cheese and ham, baked in the oven and then eaten for breakfast. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. First of all, we'll take a bowl. Into that we're going to add some grated cheese. The stronger the cheese the better. I've just used a mature cheddar. To that then we're going to add an egg. Give that a quick mix around. Just get everything and form it into like a paste. Now we're going to season it with some cracked black pepper. And then we're going to add our diced deli ham. You can cut the ham a little bit thicker if you wish. I just like mine thin. Now again, we'll give that a good mix around. Just get it all covered in the cheese mix. Then we'll pop that to the side and we'll take a sheet of ready-made puff pastry and we'll just cut it into 12 squares. So it's just 2 lines across, 3 lines up and down. Now folks, if you're finding value in my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and it means I can make further videos for you. So now we'll take our cheese and ham mixture and we'll just pop it into the middle of each of the squares. Once you've it done, just take 4 corners, bring them into the middle and fold them like an envelope. Just push the corners together to hold it together. Don't worry too much about it because when you put them in the oven they will split. We'll take that there and we'll pop it onto a greaseproof lined baking sheet. Now we'll just continue to do that until all the puff pastry squares are filled. So as you can see, I have our jambons here, and now we're going to take a pastry brush and we're just going to brush it with an egg wash. It's just a beaten egg with a little bit of water. So now that that's done, we're going to take them over to a preheated oven. So the oven's preheated to 180 degrees centigrade or 160 fan. Pop them in the oven and we'll bake them for 20 to 25 minutes, just until they're fully cooked, puffed up and looking really good. Now we've let these cool for about 10 minutes just before we eat them. So folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Again, thanks for watching and I hope to see you in my further videos.